Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in Lidl having a look at what's new in the middle aisle this week, and there are loads of great bits in for spring. There are some lovely home finds, some really good quality affordable cleaning products, loads of bits for your pets, Yankee candles, and I even spotted a fantastic steamer. There really is a bit of everything this week. I'm also giving you an update on the dry shampoo dupe. Is it actually as good as the original? So if you love seeing what's new before it sells out, grab yourself a drink, get cozy, and let's go and see what's new in the middle aisle this week. This week Lidl had a small selection of dog and cat finds. They had some rope toys with squeakers for $2.99 in different shapes. There was also a really large rope toy, perfect if you've got a bigger dog, and again only $2.99, which I thought was great value. They also had these pet sofa protectors. Aldi have a very similar one in this week, and I think the Aldi one version is slightly cheaper. This one is by Silent Night though, so you'd expect the quality to be a little bit higher, and this is $14.99 with the Lidl Plus card. Then there were some super fluffy cozy dog beds for $9.99. It's fully washable as well, which is always a bonus. And they also had a matching cat cave in the same style for $9.99. They also had a selection of cat scratching options, which I thought was really clever. The first was a scratching board designed to wrap around furniture so you can attach it to larger pieces to help stop your cat damaging the fabric or wood. Then there was one that hangs over or wraps around the side of the sofa. So if your cat has a favourite spot, this is a good way to redirect them to scratch this instead of your upholstery. They also had a version that fits around a table leg with a little ball attached, so it doubles as a scratcher and a toy, which I thought was a really smart idea. So if you're trying to protect your furniture, there were some really practical options. And finally, they had a large cat activity tower for $29.99, which for the size of it felt like a very fair price. Another great find this week were these lovely jute rugs. With the Lidl Plus card, they were $12.99, which I think was a great price. The rectangular one is 150 by 80 centimetres, and then there's a round version that's 100 centimetres in diameter, so both a really generous size. If you're after a jute rug, I think these are great value. The quality felt really solid, it's a natural fibre, and they're described as hard wearing and easy to clean. Let me know if you're a jute rug person. I know people either love them or hate them. They also had some artificial plants on offer with the Plus card. There was an artificial palm at around 110 centimetres high, and I did notice the description said it's ideal for indoor spaces with very little daylight, which did make me smile. Then they had the grass style plant for $17.99, also with the extra discount if you've got the Plus card, and again marketed as perfect for low light spaces. And then the next piece, if you're picking this up, you'll definitely want a trolley. It's heavy. I pulled it out thinking it would slide, but it's really solid. It's made with MDF panels and dividers, upholstered in polyester with foam, and it has 6 drawers. If you need extra storage or want to create a little organised zone, this would be really useful. And for $24.99, I was honestly surprised how substantial it felt. One of my favourite things to spot is always a garment steamer. When I had my bridal boutique, I used everything from industrial steamers to little handheld ones like this. This one looked really good, and honestly, I find steamers so much easier to use than an iron for a quick touch-up. And then they had these all-time handy favourite finds. I've actually got one of these. I think I bought it last year from Lidl, and I've used it non-stop. It's covered in paint and dust, but it's so useful, and for $4.99, I love it. They also had one of those cleaning brushes, and I can personally vouch for it. We bought one of these back in December. We've used it on the bathroom tiles, and it's really good at getting the lime scale off. Another item that caught my eye was the mini cordless vacuum. There's a very well-known brand that makes something similar, but that's about £100. This is much more budget friendly. It looks really handy for quick jobs, desks, crumbs, little everyday messes just for grabbing and going. They also had a couple of full-size vacuum options as well. First up was a robot vacuum for $74.99 with a Lidl Plus card. It's compatible with a Lidl Home app, works on hard floors and short pile carpets, and it automatically returns to its charging station. Let me know if you've got a robot hoover. I'm always interested to hear what people think of them. And then there was this cyclone vacuum for $49.99. It's multifunctional. You can use it as an upright or handheld. It has both boost and eco modes, an electric floor brush with an LED light, and it comes with a fully rechargeable battery. I also went in hoping to pick up a few bottles from the Bugalug range. If you've not come across this brand before, it's a UK pet grooming brand that's really popular. Their products are vegan, pH balanced, and made here in the UK, so they're designed to be gentle on dog skin. They had a really good selection of shampoos, and they also had the antiseptic sprays. I was actually looking for the deep clean one. Aldi didn't have it, so I thought I'd give it a try. I've since tested these products on my dog, so keep watching and I'll let you know what they think of them at the end. And next to that, there was a pretty big selection of pet food, all on special offer as well. Before I left, I headed over to the toiletry section because these had 20% off. They're very similar to a certain very expensive bar shop, which I don't shop in because even the smell gives me a headache. So I thought I'd finally give one a try, and I will report back. They didn't have the honey one I was looking for, but I did pick up the Dizzy Rose, so I'll let you know what it's like. And then the tropical dry shampoo I bought about a month ago. I've been testing it properly and I absolutely love it. Genuinely, I won't be buying the usual more expensive one again. It's only $1.49. It works just as well for me and it's a really big recommendation from me. Okay, I'm back from Lidl. Very small shop for me today, but I did pick up the bits I went in for. I grabbed the Dizzy Rose shower gel. They're on special offer. They didn't have the honey one I wanted, but let me know if you've tried these. Are they as good as the high street ones? Tell me your favourite in the comments and I shall report back. I also picked up the long-lasting cologne and the deep clean dog shampoo. This was recommended. It's vegan, designed for sensitive skin and made in the UK. I've used it on Minnie and Teddy. They smell lovely. The cologne is really nice and their skin seems absolutely fine 24 hours on, no scratching. So it's worked really well for the pugs. And if you're after an affordable dog shampoo, this is a good one to try. Let me know what you thought of Lidl this week. I actually thought it was a good one. Don't forget to check out my other videos. There are loads to watch and many more coming. So I want to thank you very much for watching and I shall see you on the next video. Quick one before I go. My small business, the Linen Organiser, is now back in stock. If you want your bedding neat, separated and easy to find, these bands keep everything together perfectly. They're available in all sizes and you can shop them on Amazon with free Prime delivery across the UK. I'll leave the link below.